Christian Carpenter here, Everything Residential. This is part 2 of converting a double car garage into living area, pretty much adding square foot to your house, home addition. Got the box truck lined up. Last time you checked on us, we had this concrete poured here, and then right here's the angle you saw it. This is just concrete right here. We've come in 1 week, about 4 days of 12-hour days. This is how far we got. We got it all framed out, house wrap on, window in, new door. Come in here, we got 5/8 sheetrock. That's kind of how we're doing the framing here. Here's the old glue lamp from the double car garage. Using some hurricane, sealing everything up. Let's go inside here. Next up today, we're gonna put some lights in the garage for them. Okay, so as we come in here, I'm gonna show you guys some stuff right off the bat. Step on in. Okay, so we're using 2x6 framing. That way we have more insulation, not 2x4, 16 on center. So we're using more insulation, it's a little bit deeper. A couple details here. We're using bug foam, like the closed cell foam. Let's see if we have any here. We use this stuff right here. Great stuff, it's a pest block and it's a foam, so it seals it at the same time. Has like diatomaceous earth in it. So we're sealing all our bays. We're trying to get a super airtight building here. We have sealant on the bottom, taped our seams here. So we ran out of Tyvek, so we got this 6mm plastic, taped it on both sides. It's sealed up everywhere, so it's a really airtight building we have here. We're using some polyurethane sealant on the mud sill and on the top plate up there. Today we're going to be doing some insulation. So this is kind of some details you see here. We have our electrical. We ran a dedicated circuit from the breaker. 20 amps, I don't believe in 15, I believe in 20 amps, 12.2 here. Got our outlets installed. We got our 4-way switch. All around, it's working good. So this is this part right here. And as you look above, we have all LEDs. And you see, man, why is there so many holes? Because we put the first row of lights in, and then the homeowner didn't think it was lit enough. So we got real lit over here. Double the lights. New window, love it. This is from Window Depot in Scottsdale. Nice and smooth, shuts nicely. We got our Tyvek wrapped around. You can kind of just get a detail of how that looks. And it's in some parts of the country, you put sheathing on. Here in Arizona, I'm a fan of sheathing, but I had to match what it was existing. So what they do is they just put that iso poly or just this foam board up, and then they do some cross straps right here to get that shear strain right there like that. So that's pretty typical here in Arizona. I wish they did sheathing, because with sheathing you could do like zip, or you could do something to really seal it. With this, the poly iso goes up against the weep screed, and sometimes it's really leaky. But if you look at this, here's the existing plumbing. We had a soft water loop right here, and you saw that when Nate was Sawzon, and you can see the big water loop right here, and the wire was dangling. We rerouted the soft water loop over to the other side of the garage, got it out of the new office, redid the plumbing here before there's a little drain. Now we're doing, so on the soft water system, it has to have like a 3/4 inch line to drain. So what we're doing is, instead of relocating a drain across it and ripping concrete open, you could buy a soft water system that actually pumps the drain, kind of like a dishwasher essentially. So we got the water loop over there, and then we got the drain line put into the washing machine room. So that solved that problem. And then as you guys can tell, it was super leaky. There's holes everywhere in this, not from us, but just from over time, I guess, from the old construction. We got it all sealed up everywhere, and you can see it was really, I mean, look at this right here. See all that right there, leaking air? So what we're doing is we have to get rid of this wire and then run it over to the other side for the soft water system. Then we're gonna seal that up, get everything sealed up. We got our new door in right here. And this is all old framing. Now we have our closet installed here, 24.5-inch closet. Might as well go a 1/2 inch bigger. And yeah, we have some lights right here we ran. Let's see if we need them on. Smart switch there. Those are nice little LEDs. So we got the French door here. French doors going in today. Insulation's going in today. Today's gonna be a big day of getting that milestone and seeing the light in the tunnel. So after today, we're gonna have a big accomplishment, and we'll kind of film as we go. I know we haven't filmed as much because we've just been super busy working, and we didn't actually get to see the time lapses and the progress, but you kind of see how it's going. A couple other things here I want to talk about is this old slab right here, or this new slab. We tied it in, so if we have to, it's actually really level. They did a really good job. So that's the old slab, here's the new one. If we need to, we'll grind this little stump right here, little seam, and then you can pour some self-leveler. That's for the floor guys, not us. We're actually pretty level. But right here's the Jack and Jill bathroom. So we framed that in over there to make it just isolated to this room right here for the office. So you could go in here. And there's a lot of switches we eliminated. So down the road, they're actually gonna add a shower in here and make it a complete bathroom. Eliminated a lot of switches, and we relocated all switches over here. And here's the four-way switch again. So we have a fan, the exterior light right here, and then we have all these LEDs right here. So that's the Jack and Jill bathroom, framed it in. Let's go inside to the, if it's open, check out the inside if it's open. Might be locked. Yeah, it's locked. We'll come back to that. But anyways, this is the beginning of stage 2 of converting a double car garage into a living area. Here's some details you guys saw. You don't have to waste your time watching the time lapse. We got right to it. So stay tuned. We have some more stuff coming up. See you then. All right, just like I said, I'll catch you on the back side. Here we are. We got insulation up. We had a couple rolls of insulation left from our other job. We threw them up here, that face insulation. But we found this good wholesaler in Phoenix, and it was actually very affordable. R19 on this exterior wall right here, going to the garage. And after we put the insulation up, we want to make sure we foamed all the outlets. That way it's 100% sealed. So it, just makes it more airtight. Airtight like a Yeti cooler. So insulation's all up. Next up is going to be throwing up the sheetrock. We did partial patches throughout here, but we're going to leave it to the experts in patching those holes. We're going to throw the rock up, then they're going to come in mud and texture and paint. After that, we got flooring and all this. But this is phase 2 of converting a garage into a living area, part framing. So this is going to be wrapped up. The third part of this series is going to be about all the pretty stuff, the flooring, the walls, the pegboard, and everything to make it a really unique office. So until then, we'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. Adios.